Happy birthday, bud.
Hat on, hat off. What do you go on today? I'm feeling older. There's a flamethrower right there. Today we're not gonna do a flamethrower. Today we're doing something special. 1 year ago today, baby Gromer came into the world. Hi, buddy. If you guys haven't seen the birth vlog, I highly recommend checking it out. By far my favorite video on this channel. Very personal, and if you guys are new here, haven't been here within the last year, you probably haven't seen that, or the baby announcement video. That might have been it. The links below for those two videos. Please check them out if you haven't checked them out already. Baby Gromer is having a very special day today, so besides him turning 1, today will be the first day he gets a couple of... That's the one that he's probably gonna get, but I also got him another one. So, got 2 little motorcycles. Today, I wanna try to turn them into Honda Groms as best I can. All right, enjoy. That is coming soon. I'm thinking wheelies while doing flamethrower activities. FBI, do not show up at my door. All right, so both these beautiful projects are coming straight from the motherland, China. I'm gonna do this one first. 18 months and up. He's advanced for his age. Some stock to nut shit right here. All right, let's see what we got here. Got some handlebars. So I don't think I'm putting that on. Ah, that's fine. Oh, that's not that bad. Look at that. Stickers. I don't think we'll use any of these. We're going. So the goal today is to make it into a little Grom. Honda, you need to get a little Grom toy for kids. Come on, man. Baby Gromers out there. All right. Oh man, this ain't gonna be that bad. I'm gonna put this thing together. I need tools. I think this is gonna be the one though. We're gonna save the other one for Christmas, I think. So I'm gonna put a picture up of this one right here. This one's for like 3 to 4 year olds, but I figured he could learn on it. We're gonna wait on that one. 1 year old, he gets this one. There's pedals. These make him go forward. No way. No way, that's what it does. Oh, it's for reverse. Look. It's got reverse. That's awesome. Happy birthday, not those.
Come on, baby. Leave this on.
Come on, bud. No, best first. Happy birthday, bud.
Yeah. X gon' give it to you. Fuck, wait for you to get it on your own. X gon' deliver to you. Knock, knock, open up the door, it's real. With the non-stop pop out and stainless steel. Go. Hard getting busy with it, but I got such a good heart that I make a motherfucker wonder if you did it. Damn right, and I do it again, cause I am life, so I got to win. Break bread with the enemy. No matter how many cats I break bread with, I'm
Bye.